Hi everyone, it's Leah Koss with the Mortgage Center, and I wanted to go over exactly what is a pre-approval because a lot of people are getting themselves into trouble thinking that a pre-approval is an actual approval, especially with the Vancouver market right now. There's so many multiple offers going in and people are trying to sweeten the deal by eliminating the subject to financing and subject to home inspections, and that is not a smart thing to do. Reason being is when you walk into a bank and you say, I would like a pre-approval, I want to see how much I'm worth to you, the bank basically has a choice. They can either spend 20 hours on your file just to give you a pre-approval, or they can basically look over the surface and give you a general number. Now, why don't they give you a full approval? Well, because if you really saw as many people as I do that go through pre-approvals and get locked in for 90 days and never actually buy a home within that 90 days, it's a huge amount of hours, basically, that the bank is wanting to save. They would rather spend the time going over full files on people who have live deals. So, what's the point of a pre-approval then if it's not really holding any weight? Well, it's at least giving you a starting point, is what it is. Now, when it comes to a mortgage broker or a good mortgage broker, they're actually going to start going through the full approval process. We're willing to spend more hours than a bank is to make sure that at the end of the day we aren't wasting a lot of time and you aren't wasting a lot of time in being heartbroken in finding the home of your dreams, making an offer and it falling through, and we're definitely saving the bank the hours as well. So what's going to happen is if you come to me, I am going to do the preliminary scan saying what is your income, what is your down payment, where is it coming from, and giving you a general number. That way you can at least skedaddle, go off with your realtor and start looking at homes. But while you're looking, I'm going to be calling you and I'm going to say, okay, so according to you, you make $60,000 a year. How does that work? Are you salaried plus commission? Are you full commission? Are you self-employed? I need to know these details because what you think is a $60,000 a year job is perhaps to the bank only a $40,000 a year job plus commission or plus bonuses or plus overtime, and that does not hold the same weight. What you might think is a down payment that you're getting from your mom won't hold as much weight with the bank than if it was something from, say, your RSPs or your savings account. Okay, so if you have a good broker, they're going to ask you those probing questions. They may even start asking you for paperwork like job letters and bank statements and things of this nature. If they're not asking you those questions, then perhaps find another mortgage broker because you really want someone who's going to give you a number that you can walk into a bidding war with confidence and say, I am worth $500,000 and this is what I'm putting down on this home. Okay, so that's where things can go wrong, and that's how we can hopefully make things right. If you're curious of how to, banks actually qualify income, if you're curious of how they qualify down payments and paperwork that they're going to need, subscribe to my blog feed or give me a call and I can answer the questions, but I'm going to be posting blogs on how they qualify income and down payments and things of that nature. If you have any questions, go to my website, leahkoss.ca. You can also give me a call, you can give me an email, whatever works for you. And if you go to my website, you can actually apply straight online. Now when it comes to pre-approvals, if you do give me a call, for the most part, I can give you that preliminary number right on the phone so that you're not wasting any time. You can start looking for houses. And then when it comes time to do the approval, I can take you through that process as well. So if you have any questions, give me a call. Other than that, happy house hunting.